Hi guys, what's up? Today finally I will connect the subwoofer to my amplifier, and of course to this amplifier I have to connect all the cables. At the moment it's not raining, the weather has been bad many days. It's been raining almost all the time. Now I have hopefully a small moment that I can do it. Hopefully I will get some sound out of this. To my last video I got a comment which basically said that I picked the worst possible way to install a subwoofer in a SUV or station wagon like this. He's probably right. That's really not the best option, but for me that was the only one. That wasn't my original plan. Original plan was that I will install a box here. I can't do it. I need this space so many times that I don't want to move this box all the time. I've had many cars before in my life, also I think 3 or 4 station wagons just like this. I've had also different kind of installations in my car, a similar installation where the subwoofer is on the floor. I was pretty happy about this sound. Maybe it's not the best one. Only thing what I'm a little bit worried about is this speaker size. 10 inch, it's not very big. Also this box, it's quite small, 15 liters. So of course all this will affect how this will sound. First I have to solve this problem how I can lift this part up, because now it's pretty hard to do. For this I have very simple solution. I will just screw this here under and like so. These I have to cut a little bit shorter here. Yeah, now it's raining. At this moment these are the only cables that I need. That goes very well now. For the remote it needs a special connector. In this bag there is no this kind of connector inside. Find another solution. Break one of these, and so I hope this will work. I just got one of these 4-pin connectors to half, and now it looks like this. I hope you can see. I think this it should fit. I hope it's going to be pretty tight. Oh yes. I have no idea where this connector is. I think I never opened this bag before. It should be here. It wasn't in the box. Power and ground. Amazon Basics. High quality. Double shielded. It's there. I will just fast check these adjustments here in this amplifier before I'm getting totally wet. This trunk lick doesn't help much. Amp mode 5-channel, 3-channel, so we will keep it in 5-channel. Input, these are rear, front. These I don't need now. I will look those later. But for the subwoofer low pass, this I will keep it here because in this radio there should be high pass, low pass, these filters. Bass boost, I will keep it 0 at this point. Level also I will check that later. Subsonic, this I want. It will just cut the most lowest frequencies away, which this subwoofer just can't do. Okay, there's pretty much nothing else. Yeah, actually this low pass filter, I think it's all the time on. Also maybe a good thing, I can use both if needed, so it's a little bit better. That's pretty much it for today, I think. It's raining so much. Now I just have to connect this plus cable to the battery here. I already have a fuse here inside. I think it's 60 amps or 80 amps. It should be enough. Just a small cut here. So there's a light in the amplifier. That's a good sign. The subwoofer is broken. Amplifier turns on, but if I'm trying to play a little bit louder, it will turn off, of course. I don't know if you can see this, but 0.6, 0.5 ohms. Could it be that something happened when it came here in a box, and this box wasn't the right box? This box was for 12-inch subwoofer. It should be 2 ohms. Okay, subwoofer is fine. I took this box out of the car. I measured again this impedance from this speaker terminal, 0.5. So something is wrong. I took this terminal out and I noticed immediately this material which was inside. This is aluminium. It made a short circuit between these two connectors. Totally my mistake. I put this material here inside. I made just a small hole for these cables here and I just pushed this through and screw it in place. This material, it just made a short circuit here. That was totally my fault. That looks much better. Yes, it works. First try, no problems. Yep. Of course I could just leave this part away from my video and say that everything was perfect, but why should I do that? These things happened. Now it works. Now it needs just a little bit of tuning and some adjustments. I'm surprised how good the subwoofer is. 10-inch small 15-liter sealed box and on the floor of the trunk. One problem here is that I can't really find any level for the subwoofer. I can turn it off, I can turn it on, and I can adjust this low pass filter. I can't really adjust the level of the subwoofer itself. It's not that big of a problem. I can do it in the amplifier. Of course I have to listen some different kind of music and then I just have to adjust and listen again that I can get it right. But that's a little bit of a problem. Of course here I could adjust all these time alignments for the speakers, but I'm not going to do anything like this now. I first want to change all my speakers. But the subwoofer, I think it's pretty good. I'm I'm really surprised. It's not a sound pressure monster in any way. It's way enough for me. I'm not going to play any music now here because of the copyright, and anyway you can't really hear how it sounds. 4 or 5 my last cars I didn't have any subwoofer installed. When I now did it to this car, finally, how can you live without subwoofer? Okay, now I can finally go on with my upgrade project, and next I will do the doors, of course. I will start with the rear doors. I don't have any speakers yet. I have to think about which speakers I will get. I think maybe I will go with Hertz or Audison. They have pretty good speakers. Finally, I have a subwoofer. That was interesting, long journey. I started it before the summer, and well, now it's winter going on, almost Christmas.